Hey guys, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make Wolverine movie font. First, you need to download font and background pics. I will provide the background pic download URL and font download URL. Actually, font name was Wolf Bunny. Just go and download it, guys. Okay, and extract it. Just we going to use this Wolf's banner to CONDTTF. Okay. Also, I will provide background pics where I uploaded here on our official website. Here it is. Now the download option is there. Simply click download. Yeah, it will. Actually, I'm already downloaded. That's why it's asking again not to download. It's downloaded. Here I provided 2 DP and 2 cover pic and 1 wallpaper. You can write your name or anything or page name here. Okay, let's start with tutorial. You need to pixel app for that. If you don't have it, means go and download it, guys. Okay, now plus from gallery. I really like this pic. Okay, take mark. Sorry guys, I'm going to resize this to here. Okay, now plus again. Now text. Sorry. Yeah, double tap to edit. Now our name techlog IT. Here A tool, it's for typing editing tool. Now here size, yeah, that's decent. Good, I think so. That's fine. Okay, first I need to choose font. So font, now my fonts, now plus add. Actually, if you download after downloading, you need to extract it. It will extract Wolf's Bunny. Okay, go here. I told Wolf's Bunny in CONDTTF. I'm going to choose this one. Yeah, it's added. Now I choose this one. Now okay. I'm going to resize. Now add relative position center. That's it, guys. Actually, font color is not good. I need to color. Actually, little bit. In center, I'm little bit. I'm modifying this color. Yeah, now it's fine, guys.
Yes.
Why Rummy Circle is ad coming, guys? I really don't know. That's why I closed the guys. You can also make cover pic for this. Yeah, let's see. Now this is our result. We can set it as DP for social media and we can post it. Why my phone is too slow? I really hate it. Yeah, that's it, guys. See. Yeah, you can use this pic to design for a cover picture for Facebook and Twitter and for also YouTube thumbnail. For more, if you want any other movie font means, please let me know in comment section. We will definitely provide that tutorial for you guys. For more tech related and font tutorials, stay tuned on our YouTube channel. Bye.